Picture this. In just a decade, millions of jobs will vanish, replaced by technology, automation, and AI. The question is, will our children be the ones creating that technology? Or will they be left behind, unprepared for the future that's coming faster than we think? Across classrooms in Malaysia, the reality is stark. Thousands of students don't have access to the resources they need for meaningful STEM learning. It's a crisis we can't afford to ignore. Imagine the potential left untapped. Students eager to learn, yet confined by outdated technology and limited opportunities. It's a hidden crisis, one we don't talk about enough. But here's the silver lining. There are initiatives out there working tirelessly to change this narrative, bringing digital tools, AI-driven platforms, and hands-on workshops to students, even in the most remote areas. These efforts are making an impact. They show that change is possible. But if we are being honest, it's not enough. We are just scratching the surface. Our children's future depends on our awareness and action. It's time to confront the barriers they face and work together to dismantle them, one step at a time. So, let's bring STEM education into the spotlight, not just for a few, but for every student across Malaysia. They deserve the chance to innovate, create, and shape our future.